How to transfer money on PayPal. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to transfer money on PayPal. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your PayPal application and make sure that you have logged in. Once you're logged in, you can just tap on the send button at the bottom on your home screen. And once you tap on send, you can do a bank transfer or transfer to PayPal savings or transfer internationally. Just choose whatever you want. And then you can just tap on get transfer instantly, tap on transfer in minutes, and then enter your amount. Once you enter your amount here, all you have to do is tap on transfer and select your payment method. And finally, as you can see here, you've selected the person, and after that, you should be able to send them the money. So that's how you basically send money on PayPal. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.